What's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Cuddy dropping a new video for you guys here today. And before I start, man, I want to encourage everybody to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click on that button. I really appreciate that, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I am in my Toyota Camry 1994, and today, man, I'm gonna try to see if I can vinyl spray my whole entire dashboard right here. If you look at my door panel here, you can see how it's black and red. So I want to go ahead and make sure that I can do the same thing on my dashboard. So guys, I am gonna vinyl spray my whole entire dashboard, and I'm very excited to see if it's gonna work. So I know you guys already see that I got a lot of work already done here. I got some paper wraps in areas that I do not want my vinyl spray to touch. I wanted to get that out of the way before I start with the video. I never did this before for my dashboard, but I did do my door panel, so I'm pretty sure that it will also work on my dashboard. So I don't see why it wouldn't work, right? So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try here, and hopefully that will work. So like I said, I got my paper wraps already set up. All we gotta do is just go ahead and vinyl spray it, and I got my vinyl spray right here in my hand. And yes, I'm gonna be using the black vinyl spraying the whole entire dashboard black. So I'm very excited about that. This is gonna be very interesting, right? So I got my paper wraps on my windshield as well, because I want to make sure that my vinyl spray doesn't touch my windshield. If it does touch it, I'm gonna have to replace my whole entire windshield, and I don't want that. So before I start, man, we gotta clean this thing up. So let me go ahead and put my thing down here. I got my paper towel, and I got this ethanol here. It kills 99.9% of any type of bacteria and dust. So I'm gonna use that, clean up my dashboard before I start, and then after that we can go ahead and vinyl spray. So after I clean this up, I'm going straight to vinyl spray. Watch it till the end. Let's go. Alright guys, so look, check this out. It looks really good right now, all black. You guys can see this is really beautiful. I'm done, almost done. What I'm gonna do is just go back around and go back and do another round of spraying, and once I'm done, I'm gonna let it sit there for a whole day, and after that I should be good. So let's go. This look pretty good right now, so that's how easy it really is. Alright guys, so this is the next day and job is complete. And take a look at my dashboard. It looks brand new, all black. I really did a good job here guys. Let me go ahead and take these paper wraps off the windshield and take the other paper wraps out, so I don't need those anymore. But guys, I did a really good job. Take a look at my dashboard. It was beige at first, now it looks all black. Everything is coming together for my Toyota Camry. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this for another day or so, just to let us sit there for a little bit more, you know, till it dry completely. I can still smell the spray, the vinyl spray inside of the car. So now I'm going to put the windows down and just let it sit there for more days, you know, get some fresh air in just to kill the smell off. And yeah, right now everything looks perfect. I love my Toyota Camry. I mean, I know a lot of people don't really do stuff like that to their car, but I'm probably one of them who actually trying to change everything in my interior car. So especially because it's an old school car, I just want to make it look very unique. And right now I'm pretty sure you don't see a lot of Toyota Camry out there with a black interior, all black and red like this one right here. So I'm not done yet. I still got a lot to do. I'm gonna go home and get all the other all the pieces that I did spray. Look at my door panel here. It just matches. It just matches everything I'm doing. I'm not adding too much red, just a little bit of red. But at the end of the day, it just matched. It just go with my with what I'm trying to do. All my vision is really going very well for my Toyota Camry. I can't wait to finish that up. So I'm gonna put the rest of the pieces in, so stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, and finally, if you like everything I'm doing to my Toyota Camry and you would like to try it on your car, it doesn't matter if it's a Toyota Camry or any other car out there, and you want to try something like this, man, just go ahead and do it. Use a vinyl spray. It looks very efficient. I love it. And the spray, the vinyl spray doesn't peel off at all. It stays on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with this video here. I'm gonna take these edges off right here, and I'm gonna vinyl spray this black as well, and then put them back. I still have a lot of pieces that I need to go back in. Like I said, I can't wait to put everything back inside of the car and complete this car, and then we can move on to some next good things that I want to do for my car. I got really great visions, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment. And also, I'm at 80 subscribers, man. I'm trying to get to 100. So go ahead and keep smashing that subscription button. And I catch you guys on the next video. Peace.